What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to recover an old Clash of Clans account on your iOS or Android device. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. In case you're unable to recover your Clash of Clans account, or if you have issues getting your Supercell ID credentials back to log in, then make sure to visit this page. This is the official Supercell ID recovery page. Select Recover your Supercell ID. This page recommends taking a look at your email inboxes for the keyword Supercell ID. If you feel like someone else is using your Supercell account, then click on Someone else is playing my account. You will then have to send an email to Supercell support containing your player tag, account holder name, account level for the specific game, and name of the clan or club your account was previously part of. If this is not the case, then open up Clash of Clans, either on a new or on a guest account. Tap on the settings icon to access your settings. If you are using a new Supercell account in your current village, then tap on the Connected button. When using a guest account, select Login. Make sure that you're using a reliable network connection to log out and recover your old Clash of Clans account. Select the gear icon to get to your Supercell settings. Here, tap on Logout. Confirm logging out, and you will then be sent back to the login screen for the game, in this example, Clash of Clans. You can then select to log in with your Supercell ID, and make sure to use the email address where you are getting the email from, which is connected to your old account. You will then be prompted to log in with your Supercell ID credentials. In most cases, you will have to enter a code which will be sent to the email address. You can then recover your old account and return to your game progress. In case you are still experiencing login or account recovery problems, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.